So here is the first mosaic all cut out, and we've got it all done pretty much. Just a little bit here at the top where the waterfall is.
Now there's going to be one thing that you'll have to do. You're going to have to leave a space right about here and about the same place over on the other end where we can put a screw through.
Okay.
And then there's going to have to be a place right about here, and that's perfect. Right there will be perfect, and the screw will go through there.
Okay.
And that won't be, and then it'll be ready to go. Look at it, it's beautiful, Jeannie. Now this is the first of 4, and it's now September. So how long has it taken to get this one done?
I've given myself a month per panel, and it's not going to take that long.
Okay.
So by December I should be done.
Okay. So you'll be able to install everything. Great.
To take pictures along the way.
I know. So here we are, and we're doing this drawing here, getting started on the mosaic. All right, go.
Hey Jeannie, we're getting started. We're just transferring the design. So this is the matter unorganized stage. But we'll keep going step by step.
So welcome back to the studio, and I'm still working on our mosaic here, and today I am making trees. So I don't know if you can see the trees up there. We'll make sure and get you a picture of them. But I'm using my nippers, and I'm just taking little pieces off, which kind of look like branches if you squint. Okay, so that makes little pieces of glass that look like this. And then when I put them on, they look like little trees. Is that so cute? And so I think I'm just going to fill this little spot with trees. And, you know, just a tree here and there is all I want. And also I did these little flowers with the nippers too. On the bottom here I have the great big red flowers. So I wanted to incorporate them a little bit in this next one. So that's what that is all about. So I'm just going to stick them in there. Some of these sharp corners you can just knock off. And then,
was it Saturdays? A group of artists are coming over to help you glue them?
yes, I have to make sure and get all of this taken care of so they can be ready to get their hands gluey.
Yeah.
So I think up here I'm just going to add maybe a few little pieces, but we do want to leave room for a grout up there so that the branches will stick out.
Be able to see the skyline.
Actually, behind there is probably just more rock. So that's how I'm going to do the trees. So, so thanks for being with me every day. You're always welcome to come over and watch me work.
I just wanted to show you what we're doing. On this particular panel, I have painted the edges white. And that's so that when they go up against the wall in their final destination, they'll blend in. They'll look better. So what I've done is I put tape here to keep it off the glass. There's a couple of places where I've still got some white that goes onto the glass. I know this because it happened on the other one. Now it's drying so well, I can take a razor blade and just scrape that right off. Because, you know, and it doesn't stick to paint like the glass doesn't, excuse me, paint doesn't stick to glass the way it does to glass when we use epoxy paints and when it's been roughed up. So that's a good thing. So what I'm going to do now is carry this over here. Wait a second. I forgot something. I thought that was too easy. Here are the 3 screws that will tie this down to the wall. And we've got them set up so they'll go in when we get them set in the where they're actually going, we'll put a little bit of grout to cover over the screw heads and nobody will ever know they're there. Alright, so now get this out of here. Here's one that I've already done. On this one I sprayed out of the back more than I did on this one. And I just didn't feel like I needed to have that much on there. So this is the 4th one in the project, and I've got the 3rd one here in the studio. Was giving it a chance to kind of warm up. Okay, so now I just have to get this one up on here. Take these screws out. This is the very top piece. It's got these really cool painterly looking mosaic pieces. It's rather obnoxious when some big old truck comes blasting along. Okay, just gotta put my tape on and turn it over and paint it right. Thanks for being with us. We'll see you next time.